Step into a world of sustainable energy solutions with the G2X TOPCon solar module engineered by Gautam Solar. Applying advanced half-cut cell technology, we have effectively doubled the number of cells and wiring rows. This approach significantly reduces internal resistance and provides better shade tolerance. Additionally, the smaller size makes cells more resistant to cracking. With a multi-bus bar design, we enhanced current flow, further reducing resistive losses to guarantee optimal performance. In contrast to typical panels available on the market, ours utilise N-type cells. Unlike the standard P-type, these don't suffer from the negative effects of oxygen exposure, which prevents light-induced degradation. But we didn't stop there. To further optimise efficiency, we have incorporated TOPCon technology. In order to achieve higher energy conversion with the addition of a thin oxide layer on the cells, we have enabled modules to capture additional light wavelengths. With an IP68 rated junction box, our panel's electrical connections are well protected from water and dust, ensuring the product's longevity and durability. We also featured a solid and long-lasting anodized aluminium alloy frame for strength and support. These are equipped with tempered glass that provides robust shielding against external elements, while its anti-reflective coating increases power output. Gautam Solar is a globally recognised leader in solar energy solutions, renowned for its commitment to sustainability and innovative products and services. With over 25 years of experience and a strong focus on research and development, we offer a comprehensive range of high-efficiency solar panels.